Hello all, welcome to the channel TechnoCops and to the special series for aspirants of defense services. As per the demand, I am here with one more set of multiple choice questions. So let's have a look on today's first question. The first question is, the commando unit of the Indian Air Force is named. Is the name of the commando unit of Indian Air Force. The commando force is the special force unit of the Indian Air Force. The unit derives its name from Garud, a divine bird-like creature in Hinduism. Garud is tasked with the protection of critical Air Force bases and installations, search and rescue during peace and hostilities and disaster relief. So the name for commando unit of Indian Air Force is what? That is Garud. Next question. Rafale aircraft is being acquired from. That means from which country we have adopted the Rafale aircraft. So the Rafale literally meaning gust of wind, and in a more military sense it is a burst of fire. It is a twin engine canard delta wing multi-role fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation from France. Okay, so this is the aircraft which we have imported from France. The correct answer for this is yes, it is France, and if the company name is asked, that is Dassault Aviation. Okay, keep remember. So let's have a look on the next question. Sham no Varunaha is the motto of. You must know the answer of this. What is the answer? So in Vedic scriptures, Varun is mentioned as Lord of Seas. Okay, so Sham no Varuna is the motto of Indian Navy. Right? Should remember this. What is next question? Counter-insurgency and jungle warfare school is located in. Have you heard about this? The Counter-insurgency and jungle warfare school. It is in Mizoram. It is a training and research establishment for the Indian Army specializing in unconventional warfare, especially counter-insurgency and guerrilla warfare. The school's motto is to fight the gorilla like a gorilla. Okay, nice motto. Yes, fight the gorilla like a gorilla. Great. Now what is the next question? Who of the following is considered the inventor of atomic bomb? So who is the father of atomic bomb? Do you remember? He is Robert Oppenheimer. He was an American theoretical physicist and professor of physics at the University of California, Berkeley. He is also known as the father of the atomic bomb for his role in the Manhattan Project in the World War II. The first atomic bomb was successfully detonated on July 16, 1945 in the Trinity test in New Mexico. And we all know in August 1945, the weapons were used in the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II. Okay, so remember the name of father of the atomic bomb. Who is he? He is Robert Oppenheimer. Right? Now what is next question? Which of the following does not have a northern command? One of the question from the command at headquarters lecture. So if we will look forward for the answer, the Indian Army has its northern command at Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. But the Indian Navy has only 3 commands, that is at Mumbai, Kochi and Visakhapatnam respectively. And the Indian Air Force as shown in the picture, you can see, has 5 operational commands and 2 functional commands, which also doesn't have any northern command. Okay, so the answer for this question must be what? It is asking for does not have a northern command. So the answer must be both Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Okay. Now moving towards the next question. So what is the lowest officer rank in the Indian Navy? So in rank, badges and rank, we have covered this all. So sub-lieutenant is the lowest commissioned officer's rank in Indian Navy. It is the first rank given to the candidate who has successfully completed the prescribed training of the Indian Navy. Okay. Now what is next? Which of the following is a nuclear powered submarine of the Indian Navy? A very important question. Which of the following is a nuclear powered submarine of the Indian Navy? So according to the options given, the correct answer is, any guesses, is INS Chakra. INS Chakra is a nuclear powered attack submarine, and the INS Chakra 2 joined the Eastern Naval Command at Visakhapatnam on 4th April 2012. Apart from this, we have one more nuclear powered submarine, that is Arihant. You may have heard about this. The Arihant class is a class of nuclear powered ballistic missile submarines being built for the Indian Navy. So we have two classes for Indian Navy, that is nuclear powered submarine. First is INS Chakra and INS Arihant. Okay. What is the next question? Who was the first Indian Chief of Naval Staff to hold the rank of Admiral? So here the question is somewhat twisted. Actually, it is asking about the first Indian Chief of Naval Staff to hold the rank of Admiral. Okay. So here we have to put our attention that R.D. Katari was the first Indian to hold the office and succeeded the last British officer to the post, but with the rank of Rear Admiral. Okay, keep remember. R.D. Katari was the first Indian to become the Chief of Naval Staff, but he had the rank of Rear Admiral. Okay, so if we will look for the correct answer of this question, so Admiral Adhar Kumar Chatterjee, that is A.K. Chatterjee, was the first Indian officer of the Navy to hold the rank of Full Admiral. Okay, it is asking about the Admiral rank. So according to that, the correct answer is A.K. Chatterjee. Otherwise, the first Indian Chief of Naval Staff is R.D. Katari. Okay, keep remember this. Now moving towards the last question of this series. Where is the Defence Institute of Advanced Technology located? Very interesting question. Defence Institute of Advanced Technology. Okay, so this is also known as DIAT, Defence Institute of Advanced Technology. It is the premier deemed university under the Department of Defence Research and Development, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. It is specialized in the training of officers of Indian Armed Forces, Coast Guard, Defence Research Organizations, Indian Ordnance Factories, Defence PSUs like HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, BEL, Bharat Electrical Limited, etc. Shipbuilding agencies like Garden Reach Shipbuilders, Kochi and Goa shipyards, Mazgaon and Dock shipbuilders, and armed forces of friendly countries like Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, African nations, etc. Okay, and it is also giving the training to other central and state government agencies, and it is located at Pune, Maharashtra. Okay, so this is the 10 best questions for the aspirants of defense services. You must all know about these questions. Hope you like this series and already subscribed. If not, then do subscribe. You all are most welcome with your suggestions in the comment box, and if you feel, hit the like button. Thank you all. Jai Hind.